Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, the Creality Ender 3S1. It's the latest addition to the Ender 3 series, and it's packed with some seriously cool upgrades. So, if you're into 3D printing or just curious about the world of creative making, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. Right off the bat, you'll notice that the Ender 3S1 means business. The aluminium frame gives it a solid, stable feel, which is a huge plus for accurate prints. And if you're short on space, no worries. The compact design and smart cable management make it a great fit for any setup. One of the standout features of the Ender 3S1 is the inclusion of silent stepper motor drivers. Printing is noticeably quieter compared to the previous models, which is a significant advantage, especially in shared living spaces or quiet environments. The near-silent operation doesn't compromise on print quality, and it's a testament to Creality's commitment to user comfort. The Ender 3S1 streamlines the bed leveling process with an improved, larger touchscreen interface. The intuitive controls and visual cues make bed leveling a breeze, even for newcomers to 3D printing. The larger display is not only more user-friendly but also offers a better overview of print progress and settings. The redesigned hotend and extruder on the Ender 3S1 contribute significantly to the printer's improved performance. The upgraded components lead to more consistent filament flow, reduced clogs, and better overall reliability. This means fewer print failures and less time spent troubleshooting, ultimately leading to a more enjoyable printing experience. The Ender 3 series has always been known for delivering impressive print quality, and the Ender 3S1 is no exception. The printer's capabilities shine through in intricate details, smooth surfaces, and well-defined layers. With the right settings and proper calibration, this printer is more than capable of handling complex and detailed models. One of the great advantages of choosing a Creality printer is the robust online community and extensive resources available. The Ender 3S1 benefits from this community-driven support, which means that help and guidance are readily available for users of all skill levels. Whether you're troubleshooting, seeking inspiration, or looking to optimize your prints, the community is there to assist. The Creality Ender 3S1 takes the foundations of the Ender 3 series and adds a layer of refinement and innovation. Its blend of user-friendliness, improved performance, and affordability makes it an enticing choice for both newcomers and seasoned 3D printing aficionados. The Ender 3S1 earns its spot as a strong contender in the competitive world of 3D printing, promising high-quality prints and a smoother journey from design to creation. With its blend of user-friendliness, improved performance, and affordability, it's a contender that's hard to ignore. Check the description below for a link to the Creality Ender 3S1. If you've had experience with the Ender 3S1, share your thoughts down in the comments. And, of course, don't forget to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.